everybody. It's about 5:30 in the morning and it's just me and my cat Molly here. Fortunately the kids are still asleep. Hopefully we get about an hour so you guys can sit with me and work on this tree. This tree always baffled me with what to do with it. It's kind of got a 2 to 3 trunk going and maybe make it into a cascade, but we'll see what happens. We're gonna trim this tree up and it's still pretty hot, but we might just wire this tree out just so I have an idea what the design is supposed to be. So the next portion of this is some cool music and me working on a tree. Okay, my battery died, so we'll get a little bit of what I did for cleanup. And what we discover is this branch is way too heavy. It's kind of causing the inverse taper on this one. So we're gonna take this out. We're gonna bend this branch to match the main trunk and expand this shari that's going up. Okay, so the next step is a close-up shot of how we're doing the work. Okay, so we got rid of this heavy branch right over here that was probably going to cause inverse taper eventually right here. And we clear up the shard to make it run a little bit more so we see the main branch right here. Now, the next step would be to put a wire. Okay, I'm kind of excited about getting this tree. It's starting to take shape. We removed the big branches and we ginned them. We actually extended the shari up here. So the next step is to actually wire it out. Usually summer is very hot. I don't usually wire my trees out, but I like to see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, here's a synopsis of what we did to finish up the tree. We actually made the shari a little bit longer. We gemmed out the heavy big branches. And then what we did is we wired this little smaller branch we had was straight up to follow the movement of this big main branch and then wire the remaining tree. We didn't do any detail wiring. I don't think it's necessary at such a young tree. And we'll go ahead and repot it and look at the conditions during the springtime and see if it can be sold or something. All right, hope you enjoyed the videos. We'll see you next time.